Hello guys, so today we're gonna go and correct classes 25 and 26, okay? As you can see, there are only tests here, something that you already know about modals, right? The first text over there, o primeiro texto aí, talks about the American use of vitamins, yes, multivitamins, yes. It is believed that the vitamins, they create a support, organic support for the substance lacking on your organisms, right? So he mentions, the text, it mentions that it's very hard for you to have an everyday life and having all the foods you need with all the vitamins and all the profits you must have from fruits, vegetables, and etc. And the Americans believe that taking those vitamins, you will get better your organism. But as we continue reading the text, some researchers have found and concluded that may have caused some other problems, and in fact increasing the problems of heart attack and brain swollen, yes, from vitamin E and vitamin C. So let's do the exercises and see what we have accomplished by reading the text. The main idea of this text is that supplements may not be all that much good for you. So it filled in parentheses with true or false. So Americans are cutting down on their multivitamin supplements intake. False. They say that the Americans, they do take, right? People don't usually eat healthy foods like fruit and vegetables. True. They say, they mention in the text that they don't have enough of what it takes to fulfill, to make it enough for your organism to absorb all those substances. But though you take not enough, but not at all, but it's true. Multivitamin tablets have often been used to replace the nutrients furnished by fruits and vegetables. True, he mentioned that in the text. Recent studies have shown that most nutrients can be found in the new generation of pills. False. Number 3, according to the USPSTF, calcium does not seem to prevent fractures. Guys, this is something that we may discuss about. Like, okay, if you're 70 years old and you're having problems with calcium, yeah, you should take calcium because then will get better and prevent you from falling and making heart injuries. But it's not something that if you are 23 years old and you are having some back problems, if you take calcium, that could be a problem. So that's what the text is mentioning, okay? So letter B. Number 4, my doctors say that an adequate amount of essential nutrients can be supplied by natural food. Yes, that's pretty true. If you talk to any nutritionist, he probably or she's gonna probably say to you that you don't have to take any other complement, vitamins or whatever, if you don't have a lack. I'm gonna give myself as an example. I did the surgery. I cut half of my stomach off, and I need those vitamins because I don't absorb as much as you guys or as any other people, any normal people. So I do have to take them because my hair started falling off, my nails started to break down, I don't have much balance on my equilibrium thing. So I need those vitamins to complete the lack of substance that my organism don't take. Okay, so depends on the case. I'm saying don't believe in everything you read, but at the same time, give some credit, okay? For example, I'm not a normal person. I don't have a normal life. I did a surgery, a very hard one, and that made me kind of dependent of multivitamins for the rest of my life. So I don't consider myself included in this, but yeah, most of foods and fruits that you eat, vegetables, salads, and many other things, they can and they will provide you the substances you need, okay? So number 4, A, right? So let's move on. 5, among some of the problems caused by vitamin overdose, the only one not mentioned in the text is liver damage. He talks about stomach sickness, intestinal disorders like diarrhea and stuffs, increased brain tissues, remember the swelling, vision problems, and he didn't mention the liver damage, okay? 6, the only alternative in which the word of expression from the text has not been suitably defined is despite by moreover, okay? 7, considering language use in the text, it's correct to say that the possessive there refers to people. Perfect, general people. 8, in the phrase, so when it comes to vitamin supplements, the word so could be replaced by thus, okay? Let's do this. No trecho, scientists from Germany and Switzerland found the supplements could even do harm. Harm, prejudicar, né? Vocês sabem. Agredir, prejudicar. A forma verbal could poderia ser substituída sem mudança de sentido por might. Lembra que a Titi comentou com vocês na live? É exatamente esse caso, tá? 10. A panel could not find enough evidence. One can replace the verbal form could without changing the meaning, would be wasn't able to. Lembra da intenção do modal verb, tá? 11. Na frase, doctors say that a healthy diet may not provide them with enough nutrients. A forma verbal may passa a ideia de probabilidade, half percent, ok? 50-50. 12. A pilot was told that he land because of the fog. Could not land. Ele não poderia pousar, ok? 13. She has never been able to tell the difference between what is right and what is wrong. So she isn't able to judge anyone. Remember that? She may come in May. Since you've asked me to, you may go home earlier today. 16. Can you tell me the correct time? I could if I hadn't left my watch at home. Eu poderia, porém, mas, né? Okay, guys, it's just a small part of the modal verbs. Then in the next class, the next correction, you're gonna have a little bit more on modal verbs, and then we're gonna explore a little bit more about the use and intentions of modal verbs. I hope you all enjoyed. I hope all the videos may help you, and I'm here for any questions and any doubts. Okay? See you.